On today's menu, an easy and delicious recipe you can really dip into. A simple but extraordinary black lentil dip. These are black lentils, sometimes referred to as beluga lentils. Amazing ingredients, one of my favorites. It does take a little bit of time to cook, so we're going to start these first. Add half cup black lentils into a small saucepan and add to it about 3 cups of water. Bring the water to a boil. Crush and peel 3 pieces of garlic. Roughly chop. Peel and slice down 2 shallots. You can definitely use 1 large onion instead if that's what you have on hand. This recipe is great enjoyed as a dip with crackers or veggies, and fantastic as a spread on your next wrap or sandwich. When the water comes to a boil, cover and simmer on medium-low for about 25 minutes. In the meantime, heat up a saute pan to medium heat. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Garlic and shallots. Fry the garlic and shallots for about 2 to 3 minutes. Your kitchen will start to smell amazing. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. Half teaspoon fennel seeds. Give the pan a good stir and cook for about another 30 seconds to infuse that delicious flavor and aroma. Set the pan aside. I'm often asked what's in my pantry, so much so that I've included a complete pantry list in the 4th cookbook, Dining In with Will. Of course, the pantry changes from time to time depending on new ingredients I'd like to try or certain ingredients I just don't use anymore. But I've included little soy sauce bottle icons next to the ingredients that I always definitely have. Of course, for more information about this book or the other Young Men Cooking cookbooks, or to order your very own, a print or digital version, there is a link in the description box below for you to check them out, or you can visit youngmencooking.com. Food processor. Drain the remaining liquid from the black lentils. Add the black lentils to the food processor. Add in the flavored garlic and shallots. Half cup water. Some fresh lemon juice will add brightness to the dip. Two tablespoons lemon juice. Half teaspoon salt and some fresh cracked pepper to taste. Blend the mixture for about 2 minutes. Add in half a cup of tahini. Blend again for about a minute. The tahini is a thick ingredient that may cause some resistance in the blend. Separating the two should give you a silkier consistency. Plate the dip. Serve this with your favorite crackers, chips, or fresh veggies. Garnish with some flaky salt and some fresh cracked pepper to taste. Some freshly chopped curly parsley, and a drizzle of your best olive oil. You can now enjoy this delicious dip with absolute confidence. One onion diced. Two pieces of garlic roughly chopped. Squeeze out the water from a 400 ml can of artichokes. $400 ml can cannellini beans. Rinse and drain the beans and set it aside. These cannellini beans have a delicious buttery flavor, but of course you can substitute it with any other beans you like. Saute pan. Medium heat. 1 tablespoon avocado oil. Onions and garlic. Saute for 4 to 5 minutes. Allow the onions and garlic to get some really nice color. One teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Give the pan a good stir to combine all those delicious flavors. Artichokes, cannellini beans, add about 120 grams spinach. Saute for a few minutes. The goal here is to fold the spinach into the pan to wilt them. Blender. 1 cup cashews. 1 cup water. Blend on high until liquefied. Transfer the sauteed veggies into the blender. Pulse a few times and that is it. You can serve the dip as is, or if you like to add a little cheesiness, transfer the dip to a baking dish. Set the oven to 375. Spread over about a cup of your favorite plant-based shredded cheese. In this episode, I'm using Violife brand, but of course you can use your favorite one, it's completely up to you. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes, then broil on low for a few minutes until the cheese is slightly golden brown. Serve this up with crusty bread, chips, or crackers with absolute confidence. That looks irresistible. Gosh, that is just so delicious. Visually, it looks absolutely stunning. In each bite, you just have this incredible combination of flavors and textures. You get that crispiness from the chip and that ooey gooey tenderness from that extraordinary bean dip. Because it's only pulsed a little bit, you can see little chunks of the artichoke and strands of that wilted spinach. This is just seriously so comforting. There's that saltiness, the smokiness from the smoked paprika, and a little hint of heat and spice from that cayenne pepper. The veggies add that nice earthiness, and the cannellini beans adds that body, and it becomes this really nice, creamy, irresistible texture with the help, of course, with the cashew cream. It's creamy, it's thick, it's a little nutty. This is definitely one of those recipes that you just cannot have one bite and not come back for more. Visually looks like something you'd be served at a fancy restaurant, but as always, this is made easily and in your very own kitchen.